How to create brand new Instagram account. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a brand new Instagram account. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So here you can see this type of interface will be pop up. So first you need to choose your username. Okay, after choosing, let me just choose a username of my channel. Okay, okay, a random tag 111 and click on next option. You have to give your name. Now here you can see if you want to connect to this, you just need to click on not you. Okay, and here you have to enter your password. So let me just enter my password. So guys, I have successfully entered my password. You have to enter your password and click on next. Here you can see you will get you have to enter your phone number. Okay, so I have just entered my phone number, and now you have to click on next option. After clicking to next, here you can see welcome to Instagram random tag 111. Now here you can see complete sign up. Simply you need to click on complete sign up and it will show you registering. Okay, you can see, just hold on, it will take a few seconds or a moment to load the page. Now you can see here this type of interface will be pop up, so you have to click on skip and then find friends. You can see, just click on find friends and then here it will show you, you just need to we need your permission to continue, just allow it, and then here you just need to click on not you. Okay, okay, now it will redirect you to a page. Here just hold on, here you can see you can just link your Facebook to your Instagram. You just need to, if you have Facebook, you can give your email address and password and you can log in it. But if you don't have Facebook, just wait, let me just show you. So guys, if you ignore it, you can see your account has been successfully created. So if you go to profile section, here this type of interface will be pop up. You can follow, you can follow to anyone, you can see. So now if you wanna add profile picture, you have to click on edit profile, and then after clicking to edit profile, here this type of interface will be pop up. You just need to click on edit profile or avatar, and then you can add new profile picture. You can give your name. Okay, and then here you can see just go back and then your profile Instagram account has been opened. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.